Delimitation means the process of fixing or redrawing the boundaries of territorial constituencies for elections. The objective is to ensure that constituencies broadly represent population in a balanced manner. Two constitutional provisions are especially important here. Article 82 deals with the readjustment of the allocation of seats in the House of the People and the division of states into territorial constituencies after each census, subject to constitutional provisions. Article 170 deals with the composition of legislative assemblies and the division of states into territorial constituencies. The issue has become politically significant because India has historically frozen the allocation of Lok Sabha seats among states based on population. The constitutional freeze was intended to prevent states that successfully implemented population control measures from being penalized through a reduction in their political representation. This is particularly relevant to the debate between northern and southern states. States with faster population growth could potentially gain more representation if population becomes the principal basis for future delimitation. States with lower population growth are concerned that they may lose relative political weight despite their success in demographic stabilization. Therefore, delimitation is not merely a technical exercise. It involves representation, federalism, demographic change, and political balance. For prelims, remember Article 82 for Parliament and Article 170 for state legislative assemblies. Also remember that the Delimitation Commission is established under an Act of Parliament and is not a permanent constitutional body.